How to fix iPhone battery draining fast issue after iOS 17 update. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app, scroll down, open the option General. Now head towards the option of Background App Refresh. You'll see the option of Background App Refresh, open it. Now set it to off. Once you do that, head back, go to the main page of Settings, scroll down, open the option Privacy and Security. You'll see the option of Location Services, open it. Now scroll down, you'll see the option of System Services, open it. Now from here, disable the settings that you don't want. Once you do that, head back to the main page of settings. Now open the option General, head towards the option of iPhone storage. From here, you can upload and uninstall the apps that you don't use. Likewise, head back, scroll down, open the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process. Applying all the solutions, your problem will be fixed. If none of these solutions resolve the lacking and battery draining problems, you might want to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for the further assistance. Thanks for watching.